So when we do this, we are going to use the calculator basically every single time. When we do our paper, we will have to do some sort of calculation by hand. We're actually going to use Excel to set a table up, so we're not going to actually do it by hand. But every other time, you're just going to take a calculator and you're going to use the find correlation coefficient. Here's your basic steps. I'm not going to read them to you. All right. The big thing is that when it does pop up, the correlation coefficient is a R. Okay, but none of your calculators are set up to do this right now. So I'm going to run through real quick how to do this here. You have to have the diagnostics on for it to do this for you. So you have to get the catalog, which you get by hitting second. And actually, hang on, these calculators, I think it's in mode. Yes, so you go into mode, sorry. And then when you go down to here, whoops, that is not what I wanted to do. You go to mode. And you go down towards the bottom here. Stat diagnostics will be off. Their default mode is off. Okay, so we want to go over minor on, so I turned them on earlier, so we want to hit on, okay, and make sure that we have that on there. So we want to hit second quit to get out of there. So now my diagnostics are on, so it will give me the correlation coefficient. All right, to actually have this thing do the correlation coefficient, everything's going to be housed in the stat button. Okay, we're going to have to be able to put things in the lists. That's an edit. Okay, and the big thing is we're going to clear this out, we're going to go up to the top and we're going to hit clear, not delete. Delete will delete that thing. It's a pain in the butt to get back, and then it messes up your calculations you're going to do. So we're just going to hit clear and then enter. It'll clear the list for you. You do that for any list you want to do. You hit clear and then enter. Okay, so that cleared my lists out for me. Then the calculations that we're going to do are all in the calculate thing. Okay, and we're basically going to stick to number 4 most of the time, linear regression, and you can use 8, it just switches the letters around. Okay, and we'll use number 2 a little bit to find some means and things like that. So that's what it says in there, that's what we're looking for in terms of doing this in the calculator and getting a correlation coefficient from the calculator.